In the heart of Ilaria's enchanted forest, a young princess sets forth on a daring adventure. The princess discovers a hidden sanctuary, a tranquil glade holding secrets untold. A mythical being appears, a vision of grace and wonder, drawing the princess into a world of enchantment. Shadows fall upon the glade as a sinister presence threatens to shatter the princess's newfound joy. Dark magic weaves through the air, ensnaring the innocent being as danger looms over the magical realm. With courage in her heart, the young heroine steps up to defend her newfound friend, defying the darkness. Facing a force beyond her, the princess uncovers a hidden wellspring of power within, a revelation in the face of adversity. A wicked scheme unfolds, trapping the princess in a web of danger, spun by the sorcerer's malevolent intentions. Mind-racing, the princess crafts a daring scheme to turn the tables on her foe, a spark of hope amidst the darkness. Darkness fades as light triumphs, the princess's bravery shining through as she secures victory and restores harmony. Cheers fill the air as Ilaria celebrates their savior, a new bond forged between princess and creature, heralding joyful beginnings.